Well, good morning folks. The time has just gone past 7 a.m. We're supposed to be going to Krabi downtown centre to do our Phi Island hopping tour. But the weather isn't looking too great, is it? Look at that, son. Oh my goodness me. It's pouring down and we're going to try and get a refund. Or, I don't think they're going to give us a refund, are they? So, I don't know how it's going to go. We're going to go try and ask for a refund because I don't really want to be doing a whole island tour in the middle of the rain, catch a cold, and have to go to the hospital. I'd rather just take a 1.4k baht loss, which is going to be less than what I pay at the hospital. Anyway, we're checking out of this condo here. It's been a great condo, very spacious. We've got our bags all packed. Pop the trunk. Can you move that yellow bag for me?
Call me Paul.
Ah! What?
You just called me Paul.
We rented this Honda City for the first 2 days, 1,000 baht, which is about 27 USD per day. But then we went back and said, we really like the car, P. Can we extend for another 10 days? And we were able to drop it down to 650 baht per day. So this is the booth where we booked our PP Island tour.
You're worried about the weather, right?
Yeah. Dangerous to go with this weather.
Actually dangerous, but they still can go.
Yeah. Well, here's the thing. Unfortunately, the sales lady can't do anything because the tour that we booked the company with, they're not willing to give us a refund because the weather is not too bad actually. You see, it's cloudy, but it's not pouring down with rain. It's not like there's a typhoon incoming or a tsunami. So the boat is still going to go out. But me and Justin are just thinking, is it worth going in a weather or conditions like this? But I don't know if it's going to clear up or not. I mean, there's signs, but maybe. Alright folks, I don't know what's going on. It's currently raining right now and the sun is out, and just a few seconds ago we also heard some thunderstorms. It's a weird one. But anyway, I've stopped at this beautiful restaurant in the midst of these wonderful limestone casts as we are on our way to Khao Sok National Park. And you can stop by this very beautiful restaurant, something by Bakeaway Factory. Dude, it is pouring down, man. This is food! Gee, how miserable is this?
It's not miserable, it's really quite nice.
It's a good thing we got the car for this trip because we're here during monsoon season. And can you imagine doing this on the motorbike with some bloody plastic ponchos that you buy from 7-Eleven for like 20 baht? Ugh, it'd be miserable as hell, but we're in the car, nice and dry, the rain can't affect us. This is it, Khao Sok National Park. It looks like they've got a dam built in between the lake here and down there. I'm not sure if it's a hydro plant. It doesn't look like it. It's really big as well, and I see boats going out over there. I think I would like to catch a boat in today's video and go over to the limestone casts in that direction. You want to get a boat? I say we do it and then we just hop over to Koh Samui today as well.
Are we going to be able to do that in one day?
What we've come to is a viewpoint here at Khao Sok National Park. But to get one of these boats that you see wandering along the lake here, we've got to go to the marina over there, which is about a 5-minute drive from where we are, or about a 30-minute walk, which is quite far. So we're going to hop back in the car. Okay folks, before we set off on our tour around Khao Sok National Lake, we're going to get some Thai krapao from this nice little restaurant. It costs 70 baht, around about 100 pesos, maybe about $2 US, which is a bloody good price. And the cost for the boat is around about 2,880 baht, including the environmental fee. So between me and Justin, it's about 1.4k baht each. A few locals did offer us to join their tour, which would have brought the cost down to about 700 baht, but we didn't really want to intrude on their privacy, so we just went with our own private boat. Cop and cap, thank you. And there we are, a little pack grapao there. Wow, my God. That's a bloody good pack grapao. Well, this is the pier, folks, and we're making our way down to our private boat where for the next 2 hours we're gonna marvel at some beautiful natural limestone karst formation. And I think this is our boat here. We're gonna hop on now. Wait. Woo! Buddy, we're about to set off. One of the famous sites here at Khao Sok National Lake, and the site is of these 3 limestone casts in this sort of triangulated pattern, and it feels really moody because of the weather and the light sprinkle of showers. I reckon, folks, the best time to come to Khao Sok National Park or in Thailand
Is the middle of the
is
rain.
in the middle of the monsoon season. Well, we've arrived to the floating houses here. These apparently are 15,000 baht per night. We're kind of far. That's okay. There we are. Yeah, dude, I reckon we got one of the best boats in all of Khao Sok. Look, this is what the other boats look like. Yeah, mate. I reckon we got the speed demon here. Well, you know, staying in a nipa hut like this is about 500 pesos a night back in the Philippines, right? But because it's in Khao Sok National Park, they probably charge a huge premium just to be here. And it's a pretty box standard, you know, nipa hut. But you're inside one of Thailand's oldest national parks. And the folks staying here at these nipa huts for 2 nights booked some sort of tour package, so they don't actually know how much they individually cost to stay here. Oh, couple changs, cheers. Oh, what? Well, folks, we've made it back to the mainland, and I think I'm going to wrap up today's video here. Whew, it's been one heck of a day. We started off in Krabi. We decided to miss our boat tour and then come all the way here to Khao Sok, which was a 2-hour drive to look at the national park. And so I'm going to wrap up today's video here. If you enjoyed today's video, you know what to do. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like today's video, and share it with friends and family. And I will see you in the next video here on the channel. Many thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye for now.